Hey, so we finally made it to our destination this morning. We are taking the girls to Ikea for their first time. Be their first trip to Ikea. Looks like everybody else in the world decided to come to Ikea today also.
I mean, the good thing is it's like an amusement park. Like, they get you going, like, you know. Oh, I'm sweating.
Now to go back to parenting tip number 1, the only exception to that rule is if it makes things easier. But if it's going to make things easier, you do have to teach them something. And if you hold it up, you can see people. Then you push the button. For me, it was a horrible experience, but I'm glad we got it done. I feel bad we didn't get a lot of footage, but that's okay because I don't want to relive it. It was so busy and so hot. But because I did show Amelia how to run the camera a little better, she noticed we weren't getting very good footage, so she grabbed this in the next store. Say, we're in TJ Maxx! Or no, we're in Marshall's. What's what, Marshall's or TJ Maxx? Oh, these girls are growing up so fast. The only thing I hope is that neither one of them get my eyebrows. You guys are all probably wondering what we picked up from Ikea. We needed a few things to help organize the laundry room and to get a few ideas for the girls' new bedrooms, because pretty soon they're going to be out of their cribs and into toddler beds. It's just flown by. But here's some footage from the next day. And then just in case anybody is planning on going to Ikea to buy things, just remember, nothing is put together, so it ends up being a double whammy. You have to go shop, you have to go pick out all the parts, and then it sits on your floor and turns into a jungle. The girls are on their first balance beam.
Up you go, Amelia.
Timber!
Say, stop right off. That's it. No. Yeah. You guys always blame it on the other thing.
The dismount. And she nailed it. You pooped? You gotta go to the bathroom?
No.
You going potty? Hello? You need help? Oh, you already pooped, sis. You already pooped. Maybe not. Yes, Lola is right. We have 2 babies to start potty training, and as a parent, I have come to find out that once you think you have it all figured out, something changes. So, another step in the story, and this should be an interesting one. So, if you missed yesterday's video, don't forget to check that out. Also, if you're first time watcher, we'd love to have you join our journey and hit that subscribe button. It's about to get crazy. Thanks for watching.